Comparing fractions. Comparing fractions with the same denominator. You can see that you can use the numerator to know which one is bigger or not. Let's look. This is 1/4. 1 is shaded out of 4. This is 2/4. 2 is shaded out of 4. This is 3/4. 3 is shaded out of 4. And if 4 is shaded out of 4, then therefore is 1/2. Now you can see that the 1/4 is the smallest. It is smaller than 2/4, and 2/4 is smaller than 3/4. So 3/4 is actually the biggest. So you can see that the smaller the numerator, the smaller is the fraction. Only if the denominators are the same, very important. And the bigger the numerator, the bigger is the fraction, only if the denominators are the same.